friends, this is Jyoti Soni, Delhi-based counselor and trainer. I had already briefly discussed in my last video about switch words. Today I am sharing some more information about switch words. My topic is how to attract money through switch words. Money plays an important role in our life. Money is not everything but an essential part of life. So, few switch words to attract money are find, count, reach, add, bring, divine, together. Divine and together, these two master switch words are very powerful switch words. We use these switch words as prefix with any switch words to make the wish powerful. Find we use for financial abundance. Bring the fortune to make money. Count also we use for making money. Reach the idea to create money. Bring also used for manifestations. So by simply chanting any mass switch word, you can attract money. For example, if you are going to chant count, so chant count, 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 count. Chant in rhythm at least 7 to 28 times with intention in your mind. You can use combination of switch words. For example, divine, find, count. And the other example is divine, together, find, count. You can chant as much as possible with full faith. If possible, try at least 40 to 45 times in a day. Best time for chanting is early morning and at the time of sleeping. You can also write it down on your copy or your left hand with blue or green pen. It is very difficult to say what exact changes will you feel. Maybe you will get promotion. Maybe you will get job. Any idea will germinate in your mind to create money. Maybe you will receive any payment. Anything could be the possibility. I am sharing few numbers also which help you to attract financial abundance. Number 1 is 520 and other number is 808. Same you can chant or write it down on your left hand with blue or green pen. So this is very simple technique with which you can heal so many issues of your life. Few words and few numbers can create magic in your life. Amazing technique. So if you want to learn more about switch words, you can contact me. If you like my video, you can subscribe for such kind of stuff. And share your success stories with me also. Thanks for listening me.